In this video, we're diving into the world of ultimate gaming machines, revealing the best gaming PCs you can buy right now. From insane graphics to lightning-fast performance, these PCs are built to dominate any game you throw at them. Whether you're a casual gamer or a pro looking for top-tier hardware, we've got you covered. Subscribe our channel if you like more electronics or tech products. At number 1 we have CyberPower Intel Core i7-14700F CPU Gaming PC Computer. Intel Core i7-14700F Processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super 12GB Graphics Card, 16GB DDR5 non-RGB 5200 MHz, 8x2 RAM, 2TB NVMe SSD, Wi-Fi ready, Windows 11 Home. The perfect gaming PC build for someone looking to upgrade their computer system for art, editing, and gaming. You can take your gaming and content creation to a whole new level with the Intel Core i7-14700F processor and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super 12GB graphics card. Enjoy fast system and application startup times, as well as ample storage space. At number 2, we have CyberPowerPC Gaming PC Intel Core i9-14900KF 3.2 GHz. Intel Core i9-14900KF 3.2 GHz 8 plus 16 cores. Intel Z790 chipset. 32GB DDR5. 2TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD. Windows 11 Home 64-bit. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Super 12GB graphics. 1x HDMI. 2x DisplayPort. HeGamer Extreme VR series features the latest generation of high-performance Intel Core processors and ultra-quick DDR RAM to easily handle system-intensive tasks, such as high-definition video playback and gaming. At number 3, we have STGAubron Core i7 3.4 GHz up to 3.9 GHz gaming desktop PC computer. This computer is well suited for a variety of tasks including gaming, study, home, business, photo and video editing, streaming, day trading, crypto trading, and more. This high-performance gaming PC is capable of running a wide range of popular games, including Fortnite, Call of Duty Warzone, Escape from Tarkov, GTA 5, World of Warcraft, Minecraft, Elden Ring, Rocket League, The Division 2, and Hogwarts Legacy with 60+ FPS. Come with 512G SSD for your rapid speed, supports faster boot speed and faster storage rates, so that you can store more games, photos, music and movies. Intel Core i7 up to 3.9 GHz. At number 4 we have Skytech Nebula AMD Ryzen 5 5600X 3.7 GHz Gaming PC Desktop. This powerful gaming PC is capable of running all your favorite games such as Call of Duty Warzone, Fortnite, Escape from Tarkov, Grand Theft Auto 5, Valorant, World of Warcraft, League of Legends, Apex Legends, Roblox, PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, Overwatch 2, Counter-Strike 2, Battlefield 5, New World, Minecraft, Elden Ring, Rocket League, Baldur's Gate 3, Dota 2, Helldivers 2, Monster Hunter, Palworld, Terraria, Rainbow Six Siege, Dragon's Dogma 2, and more at ultra settings, detailed 4K, Ultra HD resolution, and smooth 60+ FPS gameplay. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 Ti. At number 5 we have CyberPower Ryzen 5 5500 Scale Orange Gaming PC. Tempered glass RGB gaming case. 802.11 AC Wi-Fi included. 16-color RGB lighting case. Free CyberPower gaming keyboard and RGB gaming mouse. This pre-build utilizes professionally vetted components to create a high-performing machine that lets you do everything from streaming, creating content, and rendering videos to playing your favorite games at a higher FPS. You can take your gaming and content creation to a whole new level with the AMD Ryzen 5 5500 processor and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3056GB graphics card. At number 6, we have CLX Intel Core i9-12900KF 3.2 GHz gaming PC. Gaming and productivity just got even better, bringing you closer to what you love. Microsoft Windows 11 is now available on all CLX systems. GeForce RTX 40 series GPUs deliver beyond fast performance for gamers and creators. They're powered by 88 Lovelace, NVIDIA's ultra-efficient architecture, with new RT cores. This CLX set is built with the powerful Intel Core i9-12900KF processor with 16 cores and 24 threads, plus it's paired with a GeForce RTX 4060Ti GPU to deliver the ultimate performance gamer. At number 7, we have BEASTCOM Q3 Essential Gaming PC AMD Ryzen 7 8X 4.60 GHz. Our computers are processed with maximum efficiency to ensure maximum performance. With an optimal gaming configuration, limitless fun is guaranteed. All our computers are handmade and manufactured with the highest precision. Before a PC leaves our factory, it goes through a series of quality tests and performance checks. Since enjoying color is just as important to us as it is to you, our computers in the Q3 series are real eye-catchers thanks to RGB technology in all colors, gladly at the same time. At number 8, we have CyberPowerPC AMD Ryzen 7 8700F 4.1 GHz Master Gaming PC. CYBRPOWRPC Gamer Master Series is a line of gaming PCs powered by AMD's newest Ryzen CPU and accompanying AM5 architecture. The Ryzen 7 CPU is the core to the series with fast processing speeds and up to 8 cores/16 threads for effortless multitasking. The Gamer Master also includes the latest AMD Radeon or NVIDIA's GeForce series of graphics cards to deliver high frame rates and impeccable image quality in the newest PC games. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 Ti 8GB graphics, 1x HDMI, 2x DisplayPort. At number 9 we have MSI Codex R2 Intel Core i5-14400F gaming PC. Go beyond performance with Intel Core i5 processors. Optimized with a hybrid processing architecture, they deliver exceptional performance for users to enjoy a smooth gaming experience. Enjoy the latest generation of Windows 11 Home for your everyday needs. MSI recommends Windows 11 Pro for business use. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 powered by the Ada architecture unleashes the full glory of ray tracing, which simulates how light behaves in the real world. With the built-in RGB lighting, take your gaming experience to the next level by pressing the MSI LED button to cycle through lighting options. At number 10, we have Corsair Vengeance i7500 series gaming PC Intel Core i7-14700KF CPU. Built with a full range of award-winning Corsair components and driven by Corsair ICE software for unparalleled customization and control, the Vengeance i7500 series is powered by a 14th Gen Intel Core CPU and cutting-edge NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series graphics. The latest in dynamic CPU architecture, so you can game and multitask without compromise, cooled by a Corsair iQ H100i RGB Elite Liquid CPU cooler. High-performance memory, optimized for Intel, and lined with stylish RGB LEDs. At number 11, we have Skytech Archangel Ryzen 7 5700 3.7 GHz gaming PC. AMD Radeon RX 6600 8GB GDDR6 graphics card. Brand may vary. 16 GB DDR4 RAM 3200 gaming memory with heat spreader. Windows 11 Home 64-bit. This powerful gaming PC is capable of running all your favorite games such as Call of Duty, Fortnite, Escape from Tarkov, Grand Theft Auto 6, Valorant, World of Warcraft, League of Legends, Apex Legends, PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, Overwatch 2, Counter-Strike 2, Battlefield 5, Minecraft, and more at ultra settings, detailed 1440p Quad HD resolution. At number 12 we have CyberPowerPC Gaming PC Intel Core i5-13400F 2.5 GHz. The Gamer Extreme VR series features the latest generation of high-performance Intel Core processors and ultra-quick DDR RAM to easily handle system-intensive tasks, such as high-definition video playback and gaming. Coupled with powerful discrete video cards, the Gamer Extreme series provides a smooth gaming and multimedia experience. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 8GB graphics 1x HDMI 2x DisplayPort. Intel Core i5-13400F 2.5 GHz 6 plus 4 cores. Intel B760 chipset.